Bridget, we wanted to show everyone the raised bed garden, or our perennial garden, just keep everyone up to date on how it's growing. And so you can tell Bridget had some sweet potatoes earlier, didn't you? Oh, you gonna take your hat off? Whoa, it's kind of chilly out here. I think you should put that back on. You think you should put it back on? No? All right. Well, here's the raised beds, what we have so far. This is our asparagus. It's died back after those hard frosts. This is strawberries. Some strawberries I wanted to get in the ground and established. We'll do 2 more beds of strawberries eventually. And we plan on doing a couple different types. Some June bearing, some ever bearing. These are ever bearing. Actually, Thanksgiving morning came out here with my mom and sister and found a strawberry on there. We had some pretty cold temps. No more strawberries this fall. And then our potato onions, or the perennial onions, or bunching onions. So these are neat. You plant them like you plant a bulb. It's about this big, and then it'll come up with, I think, 6 to 12 new bulbs surrounding it. And then you plant one of those, and you get to keep 5 or 11 of them, and that works out nicely. So we're excited to do that. You want me to put your hat back on you? Oops, I dropped it. And let's see what else. We have our walking onions. These were from our friend David out in, well, Grand Island or Ravenna, Nebraska. And this is a variety of walking onions that he had gotten. You can see, I think they're just now starting to pop up, 1 or 2 of them. But those are a variety that he had gotten from John the blacksmith quite a while ago, and John's passed on, but we are excited to keep that growing and keep these plants going. And then I guess I also planted a few garlic chives that I had laying around, and Bridget is wanting to get down and play in that raised bed, aren't you? Let me get the hat on for you. But yeah, those are the raised beds so far. We are certainly excited for them, and it's fun to see them. We could actually be, put that on you there. It's all right. It's all right. You're gonna fight it, aren't you? I just want to keep those ears warm. There you go. Oh, look over here. Whoa. But we have some fun out here, and I'm excited for Bridgie to take care of a couple of these beds and begin you've already begun your gardening farming over there, Bridge, but this stuff's fun. And we did here, yeah, you can take some cuttings of these for like onion chives or onion greens, but for best growth this first year, I plan on just leaving them be. Yeah, with that being said, if Dr. Miller comes out here and wants to have some green onions, we certainly can do that for her, or she could come do it. Hey, Bridgie, did you have a good little garden tour? Oh, you find a stick? I did. On guard. On guard. On guard. Oh, you want this one? You can have it. But I've got this one. On guard. Oh, you want that one? But I've got this one. On guard. On guard. On guard. All right, you happy to keep the one you got? That sounds like a plan. Oh, woo, you poked me with that stick. Well, we love y'all. We hope you're having a good beginning of your winter. Days are continuing to get shorter here, but at some point in time, they'll be getting longer, and we're excited for it. Gardening season 2020, should be thinking about it right now.